Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Color themes for brand palettes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Color website. Once the page loads, sign in with your Adobe ID. If you don't have an account, you can create one easily. Next, explore the color themes available on the site. You can find themes based on various categories or moods. Once you find a theme you like, click on it to view the details. On the theme page, you will see options to save or download the palette. Select the Save option to add it to your Adobe account. Now, open your Adobe application, such as Illustrator or Photoshop. Navigate to the window menu in the toolbar. From the drop-down, select Swatches to open the Swatches panel. In the Swatches panel, look for a button that resembles a library icon. Click on it to open the Swatch Libraries menu. From this menu, select Color Books and then Adobe Color Themes. You will see a list of the themes you saved earlier. Choose the theme you wish to use and click on it. The colors will now load into your Swatches panel. You can apply these colors to your designs as needed. Experiment with the palettes to find the perfect combination for your brand. Remember, you can always return to Adobe Color to discover new themes. That concludes the installation process for Adobe Color themes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.